Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. I am Manju Dilip. Today I am going to start with the 12th standard mathematics topic indefinite integration part 8. We already studied in the previous video about integral of the type 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c and integral 1 upon root of ax square plus bx plus c. So today I am going to start with the topic to evaluate the integral of the form integral 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c format. So for that we have to use the standard substitution here. T is equal to tan x upon 2. Then after taking derivative we'll get dt is equal to 1 upon 2 sec square x upon 2. So dx can be written as 2 upon sec square x upon 2 dt, that's equal to 2 upon 1 plus tan square x upon 2 dt. In the place of tan x upon 2 we can give t. So 2 upon 1 plus t square dt is the term for dx. And for the term sin x we can substitute the formula 2 sin x upon 2 upon 1 plus tan square x upon 2, that is 2 t upon 1 plus t square. And for the term cos x we can substitute 1 minus tan square x upon 2 upon 1 plus tan square x upon 2, that is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. And in the format of integral 1 upon a sin 2x plus b cos 2x plus c, where we can substitute t is equal to tan x. So for sin x and cos x we have to put the half angle formula, that is t is equal to half angle t is equal to tan x upon 2. And if the term is sin 2x cos 2x or sin square x or cos square x, we will substitute t is equal to tan x. So dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square dt. So sin 2x is as it is 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos 2x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So with this substitution the integral reduces to the form integral 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx. Now we can apply the standard integral formulas of 7 formulas format. You can then solve the question. So the first question here is integral 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x minus cos x dx. So let I is equal to the given question. Put t is equal to tan x upon 2 because the terms are sin x and cos x. So substitution is this one, and dx is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Sin x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Cos x is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. After substituting these terms in this question, that is I is equal to integral 2 upon 1 plus t square upon 3 plus 2 into 2t upon 1 plus t square minus 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square dt. Now this I is equal to 2 upon 1 plus t square upon 3 into 1 plus t square plus 4t minus 1, that is minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, that is plus t square upon 1 plus t square. This can be written as both the denominators of this question is same, so we can cancel this 1 upon 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square. So 2 upon 3 plus 3t square plus 4t minus 1 plus t square. After solving, integral 2 upon 3t square plus t square is 4t square, 4t as it is, and 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 2. So this is ax square plus bx plus c format. Now we have to take this 4 outside. So 4t square is the perfect this term. So we will take this 2 outside of this one. So we can take this 2 outside, 4 outside actually, and we will cancel this 2 and this 4, that is 1 upon 2 into t square plus t plus 2 upon 4. Now this term will become 1 upon t square plus t plus 1 upon, this can be written as 1 upon 2 if you want, and we can take this 2 outside of this, that is 1 upon 2 integral 1 upon t square plus t plus 2 upon 4 dt, and we have to take here a value is 1 and b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2 upon 4. So b upon 2a whole square is 1 upon 2 into 1 whole square, that's equal to 1 upon 4. So now we are going to add 1 upon 4 and subtract 1 upon 4 this one. So this equation will become 1 upon 2 integral 1 upon t plus 1 upon 2 whole square, and after reducing this one, 2 plus 4 minus 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 4. So that can be written as 1 upon 2 whole square. Now this question is in the format of this formula, integral 1 upon x square plus a square dx, that is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. That can be written as 1 upon 2 into the a value, here it is 1 upon 2 tan inverse of t plus 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2. That can be written as 2t plus 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancel. Here again 2 and cancelled. So tan inverse of 2t plus 1 upon 1 plus c, that is tan inverse of 2 tan x upon 2 plus 1 plus c is the answer for this question. Now the integration of the form 1 upon a plus b sin 2x, 1 upon a plus b cos 2x, 1 upon a sin 2x plus b cos 2x, and this. For all these terms, the substitution will be the same. T is equal to tan x and dx is equal to dt upon 1 plus t square. Sin 2x is 2t upon 1 plus t square. Cos 2x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now, we'll solve one more question related to this one. So, integral 1 upon 3 minus 2 cos 2x dx. Let I is equal to the given question. Put t, cos 2x is given. So, put t is equal to tan x. Therefore, x is equal to tan inverse t. Now, dx is equal to derivative of this with respect to t, that is 1 upon 1 plus t square dt. Also, cos 2x can be written as 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. After substituting these values, the I value will become integral 1 upon 1 plus t square dt upon 3 minus 2 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So dt upon 1 plus t square as it is. Here you can take LCM. So 3 into 1 plus t square minus 2 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. That is integral dt upon 3 plus 3t square minus 2 plus 2t square. So you can we will get equal to integral 1 upon 5t square plus 1. Now you can take this 5 outside. So 1 upon 5 integral 1 upon t square plus 1 upon 5 dt. That's equal to 1 upon 5 integral dt upon t square plus 1 upon root 5 whole square. Now this is in the format of integral 1 upon x square plus a square. So 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a is the formula for that. So 1 upon 5 is already here. So that 1 upon 5 into 1 upon a. A value is 1 upon root 5 here. Tan inverse t upon 1 upon root 5 plus c. Now this root 5 and this 5 will cancel. So 1 upon root 5 you will get tan inverse of this, you will take reciprocal. So root 5 t upon 1 plus c. Now you can substitute the value of t here. T value is tan x. So after substituting 1 upon root 5 tan inverse of root 5 tan x plus c is the answer for this question. Next question is 1 upon 4 minus 5 cos x. I is equal to this term. So here again cos x is there. So t is equal to tan x upon 2 and dx is 2 upon 1 plus t square and cos x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. After substituting you will get like this. Now you can take this 2 outside. So 2 into 1 upon 1 plus t square dt and we are taking LCM. So 4 into 1 plus t square minus 5 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So 2 into integral dt upon 4 plus 4t square minus 5 plus 5t square. Now this is 9t square minus 1. You can take this 9 outside. So 2 upon 9 integral 1 upon t square minus 1 upon 9 you will get, and this 1 upon 9 can be converted into 1 upon 3 whole square. Now this is again 1 upon x square minus a square formula. So 2 upon 9, 1 upon 2 into a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c is the formula for that. So 2 upon 9, 1 upon 2 into a, that is 1 upon 3 log mod t minus 1 upon 3 upon t plus 1 upon 3. Now you will take the LCM here. So this 3 and this 9, that can be cancelled. So 2 upon 3 into 2, that is 6. And this 2 and this 2 cancel. So 1 upon 3 will remain here. So log mod 3t minus 1 upon 3t plus 1 plus c. And in the place of t, you can resubstitute. T value is tan x upon 2. Therefore, 1 upon 3 log mod 3 tan x upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 tan x upon 2 plus 1 plus c is the answer for this question. Next question is integral 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x. Again, cos 2x and sin 2x is there. So t is equal to tan x. X is equal to tan inverse t. Dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square and cos 2x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Sin 2x is 2t upon 1 plus t square. Now we will substitute all these values. So integral 1 upon 1 plus t square and taking LCM 3 into 1 plus t square, that is 3 plus 3t square plus 4t plus 4 minus 40 square upon this one. So both the denominators are same, you can cancel it. So integral dt upon minus t square is there. So 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 4t minus t square. Now you can take this minus outside, only these two term will consider. This is constant, you don't need to worry about it. So integral 1 upon 7 minus t square minus 40. Now you have to make it perfect square. For that, b upon 2a you can find out. Here the b value is minus 4, a is 1. So b upon 2a is minus 4 upon 2 into 1 whole square. So that is 4 you are getting. So 4 you are adding and subtracting here. So 7 minus t square minus 40 plus 4 plus 4. So integral 1 upon root of 11 whole square minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Now this is 1 upon a square minus x square format. So a plus x upon a minus x log, inside the log, that is the term. So 1 upon 2 into a is root 11 log mod root 11 plus tan x minus 2 upon root 11 minus tan x plus 2. After substitution of t, you will get like this. This is the answer for this question. So in the next, here some exercise questions are given to you. You have to solve this one. So here there are 4 questions are given to you. For the first question, sin x and cos x are visible. So you can substitute t is equal to tan x upon 2 for this first one and third one. And for sin 2x, we can give t is equal to tan x. And for the last question, 3 cos square x is there. So for the cos square x, you can substitute t is equal to tan x again. That way you can solve it. Thank you.